you'll have three kinds of friends. One is like Ayurveda, who will give you long-term solution, but when you're bleeding, he may not be able to fix you. And then you will have a friend who's like a homeopathy medicine, which whether works or not, but doesn't give you any side effects. And the next friend is like the modern medicine, which will fix your bleeding immediately, but you will know what side effects it's going to cause only late in your life. The reason why I'm bringing up this is no friend can help you improve your health. It's only you. So if it is you, then it is about what you put into the body and what you make this body do. If I tell you that this body was designed to live for 130 plus years, would you be able to believe it? But that's the scientific fact. Most of us don't even reach half because it's like having an expensive car which runs on petrol, and all of a sudden you try filling it up with diesel, and then you crank up the engine and spoil it. So that's what we have been doing.